from Istanbul. So it's been a really fun weekend at the Vatican. Met so many young students from all over the world working on so many cool projects that are really going to have a huge impact. Can't wait to see where that goes. Yesterday I met with Giovanni, one of our newest advisors. We spoke about his time at Ferrari, his time at IBM, 20 years of experience at IBM. That was just fascinating. Thank you, Giovanni. Today I'm in flight between different places. Right now I'm in Istanbul waiting for my next flight. But every time I have connectivity, I'm working on the KYC and whitelisting process, talking with different team members, with our general counsel, everything that we need to do to get that started. See you tomorrow at the office.
Hey guys, what's up? So today I started the day with editing and launching Thursday's DailyDAV. And then I'm gonna move on to making all the final corrections and adjustments to our live AMA video from our meetup and to Noam's talk at Blockchain and Bitcoin conference at Bangkok. And then I'll move on to work on those video ads. And that will be it for today. See you next time.
Hi guys, so good news today. We got the job posts posted to Facebook and LinkedIn. You can check them out. Basically, we're looking for full stack developers and also an architect to join our team in Israel. So that's that. Also, me and Timmy continued to work on the Copper Express demo. We're getting along.
Hi everybody. Today I was studying the flows of the front-end part of the service, the missions. And I fixed the issue from yesterday with the map navigation scrolling and zooming. And that's it for me for today.
Yeah, so see you tomorrow, guys.
Have a great day.
Hey, Davers, Alec here. Let's start with some numbers for the Dav Alliance, Dav Alliance. So I've managed to secure 5 new emails for existing companies. We managed to add 5 new emails to 5 new companies and create also 28 new leads, which are members from new companies. Tonight, me and Kyle and John will have our weekly Dav Alliance call. We'll talk about John's work over the weekend, Kyle's interesting meeting with one of our partner, Bashir Khan from Scorpiox Technology in Toronto, and just brush up on our outbound work. And lastly, I'm going to work and finish my Dav Insider article for the Medium post, which will be up tomorrow. Check that out, guys. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey everyone. Wow, it was a busy day today. So my top 3. Alec and I spoke this morning about the DAV Alliance and how we're progressing there. It's worked out really well. Alec and I now have a great rhythm going. Second thing, I've been doing a lot of thinking and doodling about a DAV ambassador program. So something where regionally we can get some help to conduct some outreach for us in various parts of the world. And finally today I managed to get a couple of documents that had been on my mind for some time completed. It's taken a bit of time to get here because of the amount of thought that's required. The messaging and narrative, of course, are very important, so I had to get that down to the point where I was fairly happy with it, that I can now share it around with the rest of the crew and they can give me their feedback. That's it for me, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I focused on incoming emails and executing new agreements, following up on everything that went on over the weekend. And today I'm going to be putting more of my energy into following up with our existing contributor community, letting them know what's going on with us and seeking feedback. See you tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Laparta here. Happy Monday. So Friday of last week worked with our legal counsel to make some updates to the website, make some updates to the marketing assets to make sure that we are doing what we should be doing and sharing our message the way that it should be shared. Also got one new potential advisor very, very close to the finish line. Also did a good amount of work on ICO drops. So ICO drops is not only one of our biggest traffic drivers, but also one of our biggest conversion drivers. So a lot of people who come from ICO drops, as you would expect. Today, focusing on the KYC page, so we're getting ready to launch the KYC. We're doing a new feature which is super exciting. So just like we have DAV Insider right now highlighting different internal employees and team members at DAV, we're doing a specific feature focusing on all of our awesome open source contributors, all of our community within GitHub. So we already have 4 different people in the hopper producing content, answering questions. So as always, trying to produce as much awesome content to show everybody all the great work that's being done. Also working on some banner ads, working on some videos, working on some DAV Alliance pieces. So everything's good, pushing everything forward at once, and that's about it. Just a few events this week. It should be a little busy, but it'll be very good. But busy as always. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.
Hey guys, so yesterday I discussed with our CEO Noam regarding the ride-hailing research we've been running. He gave me more direction in terms of where to aim, so I updated the team with it and also introduced the research to Alec, which will soon be helping us partnering with those companies. And I worked also on a new DAV Alliance page that will be dedicated for our Alliance members. So I created wireframes for it and passed it on to our designer to start working on that. I also worked closely with our web developer Alex in the past few days as we're adjusting the website for new pages that are coming up, such as the careers page and the DAV Alliance one, so making sure that it will all fit together. This is it guys, thanks.
Hi everyone! Today a new beautiful sunny spring day in Thailand. Last week I finished a new page for our site, careers, and a little bit changed header media page. Also I'll make few variant job ideas. Today I'll work for menu our site. After then I'll continue work for new jobs ideas. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.